What's the difference between a banker and a money manager when your money manager works for a bank? Sean Tesoro is the president of Salem 5 Financial, and welcome to Language of Business.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
So what is the difference?
The difference is we're in a world now where people's relationship with money is not just saving or investing. There's a combination of those things that happens for almost all customers. So the value of being with a bank is that the bank has an opportunity to broaden that relationship on a variety of financial needs, not just investments, but savings, deposits, mortgages, insurance, a whole host of financial needs that the customer is after.
But what do you say to a client who says that they don't have a specialty, they're a jack of all trades and a master of none?
The way that the organization works within our financial institution is that we have specialists in each one of those areas. So we have a specialty in investments, we have a specialty in financial planning, we have a specialty in banking, mortgage, insurance, across the board. So it's the combination of having access to all of those services in one place that helps to uncomplicate finances for an individual customer.
What is your competitive advantage compared with other banks trying to do the exact same thing?
The primary competitive advantage for us is that Salem 5 is a mutual bank. Mutual banks are not publicly traded. We are technically owned by the depositors, so we don't have a lot of the external pressures that public banks have. That gives us a lot of flexibility to be able to only serve what's in the best interest of the customer.
And is the best interest of the customer coming from the research from LPL Financial or you as president of Salem 5 Financial?
It's really coming from a combination. We take advantage of the research that is done by all of the research staff at LPL. We take advantage of research staff of our own advisors, CFAs and CFPs that are within our group, and then we combine that to create individual recommendations for the customer.
With the change in the Department of Labor regulations, where is the fiduciary duty going to lie? LPL Financial or with you guys?
Well, the regulations say that they're putting the fiduciary responsibility on LPL Financial as the institution. But really what it comes down to is the individual advisor must act in the best interest of their client.
Is it possible to be a Salem 5 Financial customer without having a banking relationship?
Yes, you have both options available. So we have some customers that come to us just purely for the financial planning need, but we have other customers that will come to us through the bank, and it's really the combination of those pieces that gives us a unique opportunity.
Having so many branches throughout Massachusetts, is the type of investment advice going to differ depending on where the branch is located?
No, really what we see, it's based on the need of the customer and where they are in their life stage. So there are 5 or 6 different financial needs that every customer is going to experience at some point in their life. So it really has more to do with where they are in their own financial journey rather than the location of where they are.
How do you keep current on investment trends being the president of a division?
You have to take it from a lot of different sources because the information comes at you fast and it changes constantly. So a lot of that we rely on getting from LPL. We get that from other divisions within the bank, and we do a lot of our own independent research as well.
Do you still have individual client contact these days?
I have individual client contact through my advisors, but I don't have individual clients myself. My charge is to help build the division for Salem 5.
Sean, thank you.
Thank you.
Sean Tesoro, president of Salem 5 Financial.